Since 2018, the HERM incline lift and conveyor has been an industry game-changer for roofing and solar contractors. The revolutionary materials transporting has enabled roofers and rooftop solar installers to quickly expedite work, increase productivity, and reduce labor cost and installation time by up to 70%. The key benefits of the HERM lift system are: Number 1. The HERM lift frame is made from FRP. This makes the HERM lighter and stronger than aluminum and steel-framed lifts. This also means it easy to transport from site to site. Quick to set up at any location. If you can set up a ladder to get access to the roof, you can set up a HERM, and you do not need any tools to connect and secure the HERM. Number 2. The HERM is non-conductive and non-corrosive, a world first. If there is any likelihood of exposed live wires at the work site, the HERM is the only material lift you want by your side. For more information, please visit www.hermlogic.com.